I'm starting to feel confident in my testing and my procedures, but I feel I'm sort of not getting compensated salary wise according to my knowledge. So that's the highlight that I take from this question. But let me read the whole thing to you, right? So it starts off. Questions for my fellow testers. I have a question for you all. Last year, I started as a tester and I'm getting better every day. I'm getting better every day at this job to the point where I'm helping other juniors. Oh, great job. Now, I'm starting to feel confident in my testing and my procedures, but I feel I'm sort of not getting compensated salary wise according to my knowledge. I wanted to find out what is the average salary for a mid level tester. I did a quick Google search, but all the sites were giving different figures. Based in London, UK, I've got a MSc Network Management and Cloud Computing and BSc Computer Science. Thanks in advance. So why did I play that? So the reason I played that last sound is because there's no this kind of goes back to what I was referring to earlier, right? You want to race to the top without putting in the work. So what do I mean by that? Right? You started last year as a tester, and I congratulate you for getting better every day. And you said to the point that you're helping other juniors. Well, that's part of your job, right? To help other juniors, as I'm sure that they help you. But the the thing is, like, okay, I'm happy that you're starting to feel confident in your testing and your procedures, but now all of a sudden, because when you knew nothing, you were okay with the pay that you were getting, but now all of a sudden, as you're getting some knowledge, right, a year of knowledge, now you're feeling some type of way because you don't believe that you're getting like you. I feel I'm sort of not getting compensated according to your knowledge. So I'll say this: a year into QA, your knowledge is not that much. Seriously, it's not that much, right? So, and why do I say it's not that much? Because there is so much to learn, and going from 1 year of I guess either junior QA or regular QA. I'm not sure if you are a QA tester or QA engineer. I'm not sure exactly what it is that you're doing, right? But experience is more than 1 year. You're still at an entry level. If you were to go to apply for another job, you'd still be entry level. And the thing is, what's happening is, I think you lack appreciation for being given the opportunity in the first place. And now your feelings. I'll tell you this: facts do not care about your feelings. Um, if you do adequate research and you search for a QA, I don't know, tester or engineer with 1 year of experience, you'll see what the general compensation is for that. And another thing is too, right? If if you feel that you're not being compensated adequately, well, I would say then why don't you test out the job market and see what people are willing to pay you? Because, like I said, facts do not care about your feelings. So the fact is, you're getting compensated what you're getting compensated, and if you can get more, right, your feelings won't matter. It'll be what your current employer is willing to pay you, or the next employer is willing to pay you. The same way that you compete against the same way that you compete against your either coworkers or anyone who is a QA something, whether it's a QA tester, QA engineer, software developer, and test, whatever it might be, right? Like those are your competition. But in the same breath, companies are also competing for you too. Now the question is, how much are they competing for you? I get messages on LinkedIn every single day saying, "Oh, do you want to come? Like we're looking for this position, we're looking for that position, QA engineer, this, senior QA, lead QA, all these different type of positions that companies are looking for." Right now, the question is, um, are you getting that? and how much are they, like, if you are, how much are they willing to pay you? And that's what's going to tell you, like, it's going to alleviate your feeling of not being adequately compensated, and it's whatever that a company's willing to pay you. And if a company's willing to pay you more, and you go out there and you apply for it, and then and you get accepted, and they give you the offer, then maybe you're right. Maybe you're not being adequately compensated. But if you are not getting requests, and you're not getting offers to be paid more, then you are where you are, and you still have more to learn, right? And I would say now, the place that you are, use that as an opportunity to learn. Are you showing the right amount of value in that company that you are now, that they would say, okay, yeah, um, okay, yeah, we're going to give you a raise because you've been doing A, B, C, and D? Or are you in the mentality of, oh, I'm not getting compensated the way that I should be compensated, so and I'm upset, right? So what is it that you're doing? You know? And we didn't start the timer, but that is okay because we are done with that question. I would say continue to do Google searches, and start applying for other, if you don't like the situation that you're in, start applying for other jobs and see what you get, and put your foot out on the market and throw out some bait, see who bites.
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.